1729 forecast.
Well, as you get ready for your weekend ahead, here's what kind of weather you can expect. Hello, I'm meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Open up the window, take a look outside live from I-64 in Charlottesville to Waynesboro. Good visibility at Charlottesville, but you'll see some areas of fog in the Shenandoah Valley in Waynesboro. Also along I-81 at Verona, a little bit of fogginess out there. And it's clear out here into Route 29 and Route 33 at Ruckersville. We're going to be dealing with that fog lifting here shortly and expect some hot sunshine through at least midday. Temperatures across the region are pleasant. It's in the 60s, mid to upper 60s from Charlottesville into Harrisonburg, Stanton to Waynesboro. Not a bad day for the last day of the Rockingham County Fair. NBC 29's live Doppler radar network is showing a clean sweep, but by this evening, say between 4 to 8 p.m., I can't completely rule out a rogue shower or downpour because we have this upper level low pressure area where the clouds are, and that may cause a couple of showers to form, but I'm not expecting widespread activity. Most of the activity is off the East Coast, and that low pressure area is acting as a magnet. It's going to pull the rain and the outer bands of Henri closer to the eastern seaboard, so not a good beach day today or tomorrow, really. So Futurecast here at home shows we're fine through midday to 6 p.m. But look at 7 p.m. Yeah, it shows most areas are rain-free. There could be one or two little downpours pop up. That's really about it as we go through the evening hours. And then tomorrow is a tricky forecast. As Henri moves into the northeast, we may get some clouds out ahead of that circulation and maybe enough to give us a shower chance. That would do a couple of things, keep our temperatures lower and also be less sunny. So we'll keep an eye on that. But yes, all eyes on soon-to-be Hurricane Henri. There's the center of circulation off of the Carolina coast. It's going to bypass the Carolinas and head right up into the northeast. That low pressure area over our region is going to act as that magnet, pulling it back to the northwest. There are now tropical storm warnings for the Big Apple, hurricane warnings for central and eastern Long Island into areas of Connecticut. Now, if Henri is able to make it as a hurricane into New England, that will be the first hurricane New England has had since Hurricane Bob back in 1991, so 30 years ago this week. So there's the track. It'll take it into Long Island, Connecticut, east of New York City, perhaps a Category 1 hurricane, and then weakening to a tropical storm as it sits over southern New England Monday and Tuesday, and then out into the Atlantic on Wednesday. But no direct impacts here at home. But big-time rip currents. You don't want to be in the ocean this weekend. So today's forecast in the 80s, sun, a few clouds, a spotty downpour rest through this evening with highs in the 80s through about sunset. Now tomorrow we're going to have a morning start in the 60s, mild conditions, a stray shower. Tomorrow increasing clouds. If we're able to see more sunshine, we'll hit 90, but I think 80 should do it with a shower rest in the afternoon and into the evening hours. 7-day forecast. We're going to be in the 90s, low to mid 90s, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, going back to work and to school. Yeah, it's going to be hot out there. You need the shorts and the short sleeves. Not many rain chances through Wednesday, and maybe an uptick in those showers and storm chances next Thursday and Friday. So yes, Henri has eyes for New England, not so much for our area, Elizabeth. But this is the peak of hurricane season.
Right. I was going to ask, when does hurricane season officially start? Because I feel like it always kind of starts around later August. But
well, that's the peak.
Okay.
But if we look at, prepare a special graphic for you
that
illustrates this. There we fly in the eye of the storm.
There we go.
Now, hurricane season officially begins on June 1st, and it lasts through November 30th. Now, it really begins to take an uptick at this time of the year into the first couple weeks of September. On September the 10th, that's the day you're most likely to see a tropical cyclone in the Atlantic basin. There's an old mariner saying, June too soon, July stand by, September you'll remember. Because usually late August and September is quite active. Also in October, you know, we had Category 5 Hurricane Michael in October hit the panhandle of Florida back in 2018. So a little uptick in October as well. So just in climatologically speaking, Henri is right on schedule.
All right. I remember there was a hurricane on my birthday one year, and my birthday is in October, and I was like, this feels late, but makes sense. Makes sense.
And actually, we can have them in April and June, but typically it's late August and September. You get the peak of the season.
Okay, definitely something to watch out for. Well, as Josh said, hurricane watches